nameless in a sea of the dying and shameless. A sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it, and I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story.
So it's 7:15, 7:20ish, Friday morning. People are getting up and around. Camp here, starting to make some breakfast. And this place filled in quite a bit overnight last night. I feel like these vehicle rows were at least a couple further away than where they are right now, but there are just some wild looking rigs here. See some of the big cab over, flat nose. I mean, just all kinds of stuff. It's pretty crazy, pretty cool. So super excited to see what today has in store. We're gonna get ready and go on a trail ride, and yeah, just some more hanging out with great people. Looking forward to it.
I'm gonna try to find, there's like 4 or 5 places to take some pictures, get out. There's a great spot at the top. One thing good time to be able to get out there. I've got maps of the event.
All right, so it is Friday morning of Overland Expo East, and we are headed out to do a little trail ride with the Toyota group. We have volunteered to be the trail tail, just mostly because of size, right? Like, I don't think that I'll have any issues. There's some slightly modified trucks with us, and quite a few very stock trucks with us. So I figured that if I ran the back of the pack, if everybody else makes it, I'm definitely not going to have a bad time. So plus we can help if necessary. On the back of those bikes is like little doggy huts. So there's dogs riding in those little things on the back of both of those bikes. Pretty crazy. So we are at the trailhead, which is Flagpole Knob, and everybody's kind of airing down here, and we're just getting ready to hit the trail and see what we can come up with. See if we can check some stuff out. pretty wild two-tracking out here in the hills, because on this side of the truck, I've got a rock wall to look at. On the passenger side of the truck, Chris is just looking out over this ravine, which, I mean, video does it no justice, but there's like no bottom to it. It's pretty crazy. We didn't want these guys to get the wrong idea and think that we didn't use it, so we had to get a little mud on the tires. There's a couple little water holes along the trail here. You guys are playing around in. Brand new TRD Pro Tacoma. That's awesome.
What? Yeah, hang on.
Yeah?
Yep.
The owner of the 70 series Land Cruiser is like, hey, I'm helping spot some traffic up ahead. Can one of you guys jump in my truck and pull it up? And Chris hurried up and jumped out. He goes, it's already on my side, because it's right-hand drive. So his dream, I think. It's a turbo diesel manual transmission right-hand drive. So hopefully he doesn't hurt it. So we just got to kind of a lookout spot at the top of one of the big hills here. Decided I'll pull in and take a break, eat some lunch, enjoy the views. It's pretty, I don't know, I always like being in the mountains. It's always beautiful. Lots of very cool stuff to see. Definitely don't have these kind of elevation changes back at home. So it's cool to get out and check it out. Meanwhile, we're getting to check out some of the new Toyota stuff and watch it work. Check it out. It's pretty cool. It's a pretty amazing opportunity. Super grateful. Told Chris he could practice his 3-pedal shuffle a little bit. And of course, this never does this stuff justice, but we're on a pretty crazy steep incline. And the truck only has one low range, so his first time driving it, I think. Just practicing, playing around. We're kind of at the back of the pack, and we're starting to get a little slap happy bored because they keep stopping so the stock rigs can do some of this stuff. And I get it, in a stock rig it's quite a challenge, but we're not challenged as much, so. Not too bad for, I don't think he flipped on the front locker, so it's just open diffs front and rear and low range 4-wheel drive. Putzing around, tires are still at street pressure. I think they got like 26 pounds of air in them. Just having fun. It's a pretty solid day of trail riding to come to this view, which is pretty spectacular. This is the road actually coming up, which was like one lane asphalt road, super narrow, super skinny, but it comes to this really sweet lookout spot. And yeah, that is a curved guardrail. Yeah, a few rigs, great people, amazing views. It's a pretty solid day. So we're on our way back after our trail ride day, and the fender flare on the driver's side today is the one that's flying off. So we are in a Home Depot somewhere between here and there, seeing if we can come up with some stuff to hold our fender flare back on. So the one that we epoxied and double-sided tape worked really, really well. So we're hoping to find that same stuff here.
Excited to have, but we paired that now with a rear coil suspension. I believe we are one of the first in the market. I think there's a competitor that may have one tiny little segment in the market with has a coil spring, but we thought that was really important because it really improves the overall ride.
So as part of the team, we got invited to this fireside chat that they're talking about the brand new Tacoma and Land Cruiser. So pretty cool private little deal.